Good afternoon. We have some incoming vehicles. We got a 2019 Ford Explorer, 2020 Lexus NX 300, 2020 Subaru Outback, 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. We have another Ford Explorer here, limited, 2020. Mazda CX-5 2020. We have a Subaru Ascent 2020, Acura MDX A-Spec Edition 2020, and 2019 Lexus GX 460. All the cars will be on our website very soon, hopefully by tomorrow afternoon. Give us a call if you see something you like. Thanks for watching.